video, I will be using flaxseed gel on my hair to see what happens. So it's going to get really messy but fun, so I hope you're ready for it. So first things first, let's get into making this flaxseed gel at home in your kitchen. Don't worry, you don't really have to do much. It is extremely easy. We are literally just going to be boiling the seeds. All you need for the ingredients are some brown or golden flax seeds and a cheesecloth or like a fiber cloth or stocking, and that's it. So ever since I completely damaged and destroyed my hair last year, with all of the bleaching and coloring, I've been trying basically anything and everything with hair oiling, hair masks, hair treatment, cutting my hair, just anything and everything in order to repair it and bring it back to good health. So during my research, I came across all of these videos of people using flaxseed gel on their hair and was interested to try it myself. I was also curious to see if it would work on my hair, and also being natural, I had nothing to lose. So I wanted to give it a go and document this process for you at the same time. To make this gel, firstly take 2 cups of water or half a liter of water and bring it to a boil. I used a non-stick pan as the seeds can get sticky. I also used 4 tablespoons or half a cup of brown flax seeds. When the water starts to boil, just pour the flax seeds into the water, keep stirring and cooking this until a gel-like mucus consistency forms, which took me about 10 minutes. Make sure it is not too liquid or not too solid thick. Once it is ready, pour it back into the glass measuring jug and allow this mixture to cool for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so my first attempt was basically a big fail, as you can see. I was so sad. The gel didn't go through this cheesecloth for some reason. So I tried a second method, and this time the same way, but this time using a strainer and pouring the hot mixture straight through it as soon as you turn off the gas. I then cooled it down and the jelly was ready for use. When talking about the benefits of flaxseed gel on hair, apparently it is meant to make your hair softer, increase hair thickness and strength, and also helps seal the cuticle, and as a result of which, it helps prevent breakage and frizz, leading to hair growth. How else does it help your hair grow longer and faster? It is also meant to have omega-3 fatty acids, which can also affect hair growth because it contains B vitamins, which is also known to make your hair grow stronger and healthier and at a faster rate. Finally, it also contains vitamin E, which also helps with hair growth. For the application process, brush your hair to detangle your hair and comb out all of the knots. Then section your hair into 3 to 5 sections depending on the thickness of your hair, and start the application with the first section of hair that's closest to your neck and shoulders. Apply the flaxseed gel through the entire length of your hair, starting from the root to the tip of your hair like so. This can get very messy, so make sure you are not wearing your favorite shirt and doing it in your bathroom. Once your entire head is covered in this gel, I know some people leave the flaxseed gel mixture on their hair for up to 24 hours, so you can do this, but if you don't have the time, you can leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. Basically, at least leave it on for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes to see the benefits. I left mine on for half an hour. After that, I washed it off in the shower, and make sure to shampoo your hair twice in order to get rid of all of that gel, and then condition and dry as usual. Okay, so let's get on to the results. So the first thing I noticed is that my hair feels a lot softer than it did before. To be honest, it actually even feels softer than it did with the coconut oil overnight treatment, but it is a lot more effort than the coconut oil, so I probably won't be doing it as much as the coconut oil, just because it is a lot more effort. But I am definitely glad that I did try it, and I love how it turned out. So the next thing I noticed is a definite increase in volume. Let me show you. Basically also an increase in thickness while also decreasing the frizz. So those are the two main differences that I personally noticed. There's no significantly noticeable change in regard to shine, but it looks nice and healthy regardless. So I am happy that I did try this treatment. So if you do have the time, I would definitely recommend doing this hair treatment, and do let me know how it goes for you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a good week, and I will see you in my next video.